your Dyson hairdryer has suddenly stopped. No warning, no goodbye, just silence. But why? If your Dyson won't turn on, makes a weird noise, or randomly shuts off, chances are its motor is in trouble. And when the motor stops working, well, your hairdryer turns into an expensive hand warmer. Neglecting a failing motor can cause the Dyson hairdryer HD01 to overheat, potentially damaging its delicate internal components. So, you're thinking of fixing it yourself? A little DIY moment? What could go wrong, right? First, you'll need special tools. Then, you'll need to diagnose the problem correctly. And if you make one wrong move, say goodbye to your Dyson forever. Why struggle with DIY risks when you can get your Dyson professionally repaired? Fast, safe, and hassle-free. That's where RoboCare comes in. Our expert technicians specialize in Dyson repairs, using only genuine parts and providing fast, reliable service. Prevent disaster and extend the life of your Dyson. Our approach is thorough. We carefully disassemble the dryer, meticulously inspect the motor windings, brushes, and circuitry for wear and tear, and replace any damaged components with genuine parts. We then meticulously reassemble and test the dryer to ensure optimal performance and longevity. We are confident in getting your Dyson hairdryer HD01 back in tip-top shape. Don't waste time fighting with a dead hairdryer or risking a DIY disaster. Get your Dyson HD01 professionally repaired today. Quick, hassle-free, and 100% stress-free. Visit our website or give us a call today.